Welcome to the Bush Park. It's been a while since the Jolly Boys have played here because they've been on tour for the last 3 months. I mean, to tell you where they've been is pretty incredible. Just for those who've never seen the Jolly Boys, I'm going to give you some background. They're a band that were formed originally 50 years ago in this area, Port Antonio. They've opened for Sade in the European tour this year. They've been to Hong Kong. They're doing the Sydney Festival later in the year. And they're also going to London this week to do the Smirnoff international live show concert, where Smirnoff in every country is doing a live party, and they're representing Jamaica in London. So Jolly Boys are quite special. They're going to start with doing 2 or 3 traditional mento songs, and then they're going to do what we call modern mento, which is more of a contemporary rock songs that are in a mento style. But without further ado, I'm going to introduce Mr. Albert Minot from the Jolly Boys. Enjoy, everybody.
Thank you. Good evening. Yes, welcome to Geejam. So you see, what the part just said, Jolly Boys are absolute. Yes. So at this time, we want to welcome you all here at the Geejam in Jamaican style. Yeah. Coming straight to